grand evening, grand rising, grand afternoon, whatever the case may be for you, my lovely lovelies. So this is Aries. Question, yes or no? We've already got an answer, so if you need a moment to pause the video. But the answer is no. This sticky situation will require gradual transformation and radical views. Perfection is always ever changing. Incidents that refract consciousness and perception gently guide you toward the grandiose future. Hope this helps. Sending you all love and light. Namaste. Peace out till the next time.